Hello students, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? All the nice and lovely students of class 2. Hope everybody is fit and very fine. And after your test, I think you all are waiting for your next class for new learning, for different learning, right? So, I Aarti Tiwari once again here to make you learn something new and different in EVS in class 2. Okay, so dear students, today we are going to start the new chapter number 16. Chapter number 16, Surface of the Earth. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Surface of the Earth. Okay, so when we will so I am hoping that all the nice and lovely students of class 2, they all are ready. I hope that all have EVS notebook in their hands and pencil also. Whatever things you realize that this is important for you, you can make it underline there and there only. Okay, so shall I start the new chapter? Are you ready, guys? All are ready. So yes, I am going to start. Okay. So the name of the chapter is Surface of the Earth. Surface. This word surface. Okay. When you will hear this word surface, when you will hear this word surface, what question starts is in your mind. When you will hear this word surface, what types of images, what types of questions starts clicking over here in your mind? हाँ? क्या आपको दिमाग में क्या चीजें आती हैं, क्या बात आती है? Whenever we will hear any new word, beta, something click over here in our mind, something. Because we all are human beings and we have brain for think and do the act. So whenever we will hear new words or new learnings, something should click always in our mind. So we can say that yes, I am on learning mode. You are on learning mode. Alright? Okay. So surface in Hindi we can call it satah. Surface in Hindi we can call it satah. Satah. Okay. This word satah, surface means satah. हम बोलते हैं ना कि we always saying in Hindi that अरे उसकी सतह पर ऐसा नहीं है, उसकी अरे धरती की सतह पर ये नहीं है, धरती की सतह पर वो नहीं है. Okay, so this surface means satah. Surface means satah. See beta, there are so many stages, so many surface inside the earth, है ना? There are so many surfaces inside the earth, so many. जो धरती होती है ना बेटा, जो पृथ्वी होती है ना, इसके अंदर जो अर्थ होती है ना, इसके अंदर जमीन के अंदर नीचे बहुत सारी सरफेस होती हैं, बहुत सारी सतह होती हैं. And that surface gives us so many natural things like petroleum, like gases, like platinum, gold, and so many metals like iron, like aluminium and steel, and so many metals we will get inside the surface of earth. This you will understand very nicely when you will go in your further class, when you will go in class 3. That time there is a chapter. There is a chapter about the different types of surface, so you can understand very nicely. Okay, now here one thing keep is in your mind that earth has so many surface inside it. so many surface. Okay, so we can say that Earth has so many surface inside it, so many surface, and from that surface, from those surface we are getting different types of things like fuel, like metal, and so many more things. Okay, so dear students, in this chapter we are going to learn about two things. In this chapter we are going to discuss about two things: the various land form on earth. What are the two things which we are going to discuss on this chapter? Various landforms on earth. Various landforms on earth. Okay, this is the number one thing which we will going to discuss in this chapter. Various landforms on earth. Here the word various. Various means the different kinds of landforms which is available on the earth. We are going to discuss about these various landforms on the earth. है ना? Clear to you all or not? Please tell me. Once again I will repeat. Various means in Hindi we can say that different kinds of, बहुत सारे प्रकार के. In Hindi we can say that बहुत सारे प्रकार के, and English we can say that different types of landforms which is available on our earth. We will discuss about those various landforms. Right? Now, number two, various water bodies. Number two, various water bodies. Various water bodies on the earth. Okay, various water bodies. Various means तो you can understand बहुत सारे तरह के, बहुत सारे प्रकार के. Right? Various water bodies. This word water bodies. What is the mean by this word water bodies? Water यानी तो you knows very well, है ना? And bodies means your body, like this, my body. No. Here the meaning of water body means the different kinds of sources of water. So what are the various sources of water which is available on the earth? Can you tell me the names of various sources of water? Huh? Can you tell me? Yes, you can tell me nicely, because I know you all the intelligent students of class 2, and you will think and you can tell me. Yes, so the various water body means the different types of water sources. Okay, so what are the different water sources which we have on earth? Okay, now I am going to everyone. Rivers. We have so many rivers in our country like Ganga, Narmada, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Kaveri, Godavari and so many more. है ना? And so many more like Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Brahmaputra, Kaveri, Saraswati, Godavari, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab and so many more. है ना? So river, then ponds. Ponds means talab, a small water tank which we human being made for to get the water. Especially ponds we can found in villages area beta, because villagers are struggling to supply the water for their homes. That's why, that is the reason people, those who are living in villages area, most of the people have pond in their village because they don't have more facility to collect the water, and there is always problem of electricity in villages area. है ना? Villagers always face the problem of electricity. So they believe their life is completely depends on ponds. Their life is depends on ponds. तो क्या करते हैं बेटा, वो जो गांव के लोग होते हैं ना, वो छोटे छोटे से गांव में तालाब खोद लेते हैं. Why they will do this? Because all the villages peoples have animals, have domestic animals at their home. Excuse me. Yes, all the villagers have domestic animals at their home. Are you agree with me? है ना? Suppose there are 200 families are living in one village. है ना? Suppose there are 200 families are living in one village. So we can say that yes, out of 200 families, 150 or 160 families to have the domestic animals their home. Definitely, I am damn sure. They have cow, they have goats, they have hen, they have bullock, they have buffalo, they have donkey, they have camel, they have horse. These domestic animals must there in their families, because their families, they cannot imagine their families without domestic animals. They cannot run their life without domestic animal, because domestic animals are the part of the villages families. है ना? So what will happen when summer season will come? See, during rainy seasons, so they will not face any problem. During winter season, they don't require much of water. But what will happen when summer will come? During summer season, they need more water. They need more water because the domestic animals also living with those families, and the requirement of water will increase during summer season. है ना? So that time they realize that yes, we have to store the water. We have to store the water for especially these time of period. So what the villagers will do? They will start digging the ponds, और वो तालाब को खोदना शुरू कर देते हैं. और जब बारिश आती है, when rainy season will come, that ponds will filled with the water, and this water they will use during the summer season, during the summer season for irrigation purpose and for animal purpose. These two purpose are the major issues on villagers. Okay. Now, so river, pond, lake, well, hand pump, and sea, oceans. So, water body means talking about all these things: river, pond, lake, well, hand pump, sea, ocean and streams also. Streams also. Okay, so these are the water bodies which are available on the land, on the earth, है ना? So various water bodies on the earth. आप समझ में आया water bodies means क्या? Water body यानी क्या होता है? What is the meaning of water body? Water body means the river, the pond, the lake, the well, the hand pump, the sea, oceans and different streams, है ना? These are the water bodies which are available on earth. And one more information I want to share with you is that sea, है ना? Sea and oceans. Sea means samudra and ocean means Hindi word is not clicking right now is in my mind. So seas and oceans, these are the big water bodies which are available on the earth. Seas and oceans are the biggest water body. सबसे ज़्यादा पानी इन्हीं में होता है. That's why we can say that these are the biggest water bodies. But one thing is not good about these water bodies are the water of sea and oceans is not fit for use. We cannot use water of sea, water of ocean because these have the salty water. These have the salty water which is not fit for use, which is not good for use. Okay, so dear students, understand what I want to explain you, what I want to make you understand, how many things we are going to learn in this chapter. Understand? We are going to discuss about the various landforms on the earth and various water body on the earth. About these two things we are going to discuss. Okay. So, but I thought that today this much introduction of the chapter is sufficient for you. This much introduction of the chapter is sufficient for you. When we will meet in the next lecture, what we will do? We will start reading and I will start explaining you step by step. Line wise I will make you learn and I will explain you the chapter. But before winding up my class, I want to give you a small work. What you have to do? You have to draw the picture on earth. This is your homework. Draw a picture accordingly. And fill the color accordingly. This is your homework. Note down your homework. What you have to do? You have to draw the picture of a earth. You have to draw a picture of earth and fill the color accordingly. And I am hoping that you all are very good in drawing work. So you will draw very nice picture of earth and fill the color nicely. So dear students, I am going to wind up my class. When we will meet, we will start learning in this chapter. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Keep watching, keep giving me likes and keep enjoying your study. Bye. And do not take your study lightly, because soon your annual exam date will announced by us. So all the best. God bless you. Bye bye.